Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix TikTok age restriction. When you open some kind of video and you see this kind of error, this post is age protected or this video is age protected, then this kind of error occurs when you put your age under 16 and you cannot see some kind of posts or videos on TikTok. If you don't have put your age under 16 and you are facing the same problem, so without wasting any time, let's go to the solution. For solution, what you have to do is you have to close the TikTok. After that, what you have to do is you have to again open TikTok and you have to click on profile, and after profile you have to click on three lines. In three lines you have to click on settings and privacy. After that, what you have to do is you have to scroll down and you have to click on report a problem, which means you have to report that problem to TikTok team that you are facing that kind of problem, and TikTok team will solve it for you as soon as possible. You have to click on submit a report. After doing that, you can explain what's the matter behind. First of all, what you have to do is you have to select already and you have to paste a new description I am mentioning here. What you have to do is you have to write, hello TikTok team, I am facing the problem of age restriction on videos even I am above the age of TikTok age restriction criteria. Kindly solve this problem for me as soon as possible. Moreover, you can also attach the screenshot of the problem you are facing. As you can see, after doing all that, you can click on submit and your problem will be submitted to TikTok team and they will solve it for you as soon as possible. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.